Well, surprise, surprise, we got the Cateye back. Today I am installing a Redtiger Dashcam. It is a F17 Elite, and I'm going to walk you guys through the entire process. And huge shout out to Redtiger for sponsoring today's video. So let's get it installed in the car and then see how it works. So literally Redtiger gives you everything that you need to install this Dashcam. So you got the cameras, front, there's inside, and then the rear camera. And then this is the Hardwire kit. So I'm gonna be hardwiring it. If you don't wanna hardwire it, you can just, they have an option where you can just plug it into your cigarette lighter. So let's get started. So first you need to locate your fuse box. So on this vehicle, this is where my fuse box is. So they make this super user-friendly. They literally include everything that you need. So these are the fuses that I need. Basically, yellow is for constant power. So you have to find the fuse that is drawing constant power. And then the red is for ignition. So only when the key turns over that it will draw power. And then the black one is just going to be a ground. So basically these will snap in, super easy. And then you're going to pull the fuse out where you want to put this at, plug it into here, and then plug your fuse in. And then we'll figure out the wiring situation and have to tuck it all. But we're going to keep pretty much everything, all these wires, in where the fuse box is. So thankfully the fuse box is right here, so it makes it super easy. For the Camaro, it'd be a lot more difficult to do this. I would definitely have to probably extend the wires and figure that out. But let's plug the fuses in and go from there. So now that I had pulled that fuse out, I put it here, I'm going to plug this in where I pulled that one out. And then once you get the fuse in, then plug it back in. I'm just gonna connect the ground. So basically, I know you guys can't really see. So I put the ground on, I tighten that, and then I'm gonna connect the red and then the yellow. So I have the camera up. Our next part is going to be hiding all of this wire. So this part is super easy. Then for the top, the headliner is pretty loose, so I can literally just. So now that the front is ran, we're going to do the rear, and then it obviously has to connect to the front camera. So once I put this up, then I can run the wire, tuck it all into the headliner, and then tomorrow we'll go for a little drive and test the cameras out. I want to take the cover off the camera. Okay, this wire is really long. I don't even think we need this long of a wire, because obviously, like, for different vehicles, they're definitely gonna have to like tie it up into the pillar or something. So the cameras are all set in place. The wires are ran, tucked, everything is good to go. All you do is download the Redtiger app, you go to your Wi-Fi, you connect right to the Wi-Fi, and that will connect you directly to the camera. You hit camera files and all of your footage is literally right there. It also has an emergency lock so that if something does happen, you can lock the footage and you won't lose it, because I've had that problem with a previous dash cam where someone literally broke into my car and the footage gone. Another cool thing for like our car people, if you get pulled over by a cop and they say you're speeding and say you weren't, it also tracks GPS, so you can literally have proof that you weren't speeding if you weren't. If you were speeding though, don't tell them that. Tomorrow we are going to take the truck out though, and we'll do a little drive, and I will show you guys the quality of the cameras. So super excited about that, but it is getting a little bit late and I'm a little tired. So I will see you guys tomorrow. And then with that, the front camera that records out records in 4K. The interior camera that I'm talking to you on records in 2.5K. And then the back camera records in 1080p. So that's literally amazing quality to make sure that you get literally everything. Like, look at the quality of this. Are you joking? So we are going to go for a little drive You guys can see the quality obviously right now, but we'll go for a little drive. You guys can really see it. I personally love it. I'm so excited to even have a dash cam again that actually works good and doesn't have all those other issues that my previous dash cam had. So let's go for a little drive and yeah, drink your water. The best thing about this camera, I think it is super user friendly. It's literally pretty much a plug and play dash cam, and you can literally install it yourself, connect to your phone, download your footage, and ready to go. So we did get the Cateye back. Long story short, the person that we sold it to was selling it, and they offered it back for a price we were like, I mean, there's other things that involved this, but basically the Cateye is back for good reason. So yeah, I'm super excited. I really love this thing. I didn't want to get rid of it in the first place, but yeah. The world's first dash cam that's 24/7 ultra color recording, so you can actually see inside. This is why you need the Elite version. Let's really test it out. We're gonna go drive around where there's not many lights, because right now I'm in a plaza. So let's go see how good it can actually see inside the cab when there's no street lights and it's 10 o'clock at night. The fact that it can even see me with how dark it is crazy. Night vision inside is crazy. Now you see why you guys need a Redtiger dash cam in your vehicle, especially the Elite version. If you want the Elite, you can use code F17ECAM. It'll save you $70 off, or you can use code Raquel. I will leave all the links down below, so definitely go check out Redtiger. Get yourself a dash cam. Everything about it is awesome. It's easy to install, user friendly. I highly advise you guys go get yourself a dash cam. We're definitely going to get one in the Camaro and in the Corvette. But yeah, I am super excited about this. So make sure you guys go check out Redtiger. That's really it for this video. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!